Hi dear Pisces, a very good afternoon to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot. This is a general love reading for all the Pisces, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind this is general. It might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed anytime. The third thing, this is a reading from today till the 21st of December. So let's start. Pisces, your partner's current feelings for you right now are what they are feeling for you right now. Let's see. The feelings for you right now are, let's see. Ace of Swords. Okay, Pisces, your partner right now is feeling like leave the past behind, leave all the conflicts behind, and restart this connection again. To bring back the energy of newness in this connection. So, might be you guys were fighting from a very long time, might be you guys were not together, might be you guys were not able to take a particular decision regarding this particular connection, but now this person is at least feeling like having a restart. There's some mental light glowing in their mind, and it's like, yeah, I will restart, I will renew this relationship with this particular person. I will cut down all the negativity, all the toxicity. They feel like having a victorious and successful connection with you. Let me clarify. The Ace of Swords, let me see. Eight of Cups and the Sun and the Seven of Swords. I got the exact same reading for whom, I don't know. So you walked away or they walked away in the past, but now they are coming back with the truth. Okay? And the truth is they feel like, at least they are feeling this, these are their feelings for you. So in the recent past I can see you walked away or they walked away, but now they are, coming back. They feel like coming back to you because they feel like you are their happiness, and they can't hide this. They can't hide this. Just give me a second. Yeah. They can't hide this happiness from you any longer. I don't know in the past who walked away from whom, but they walked away. It could also be possible that they are walking away from somebody else, and they're expecting that you are going to be really happy with them because they feel like you are their happiness, and now they are very truthful to you. The truth is coming out finally they are being very truthful to themselves. Finally they are being truthful to you, and they feel like you are their happiness. That's why this person is walking away from something or someone who was no longer serving them. So it's like they are coming. They feel like they should have a victorious start with you. This is what they're feeling, Pisces. Let's see what you are feeling for this person. Your feelings for them. Let's see. Okay, relax. The High Priestess, you are being silent. You are being silent with this person. I feel like you guys are not talking to each other, or if you guys are talking, it's like very few words of hi, hello kind of communication. So you are being very silent. You are trying to tap into your intuition. You're trying to listen to your intuition, and your intuition is telling you to be silent for the time being. Okay, with this person, you just want to analyze and understand each and everything. You want to eliminate, yourself within yourself, and you're like, I'm not going to take any kind of decision in a hurry, or I don't want to just run into a relationship. This is the so that's why you're silent. Let me clarify your feelings for them. Why? The Four of Pentacles, the King of Swords, and the Page of Cups. Okay, you're holding back your feelings for them, Pisces. You have love for this person, you have emotions for this person, but you're holding back because you are like, this is not the right thing to do right now. You are trying to show them exactly the opposite of what you are feeling. So you have emotions for this person, you have love for this person, but you are cutting down this person, you are self-sabotaging yourself. It's like you are just like, I don't want to tell them what I'm feeling for them. I don't know why you are doing this. You are trying to understand your own feelings first, but you don't want to tell them. You're controlling your emotions, you're holding back your emotions. This is what you are feeling. Okay, or you are feeling like this other person is doing this with you. It could also be possible, but for most of you, you are doing this. You are feeling like this. Let me see what this person wants from you. Pisces, let's see what this person wants from you. Let's see what this person wants from you. Ace of Cups, Ace of Swords, Ace of Cups. This person wants to have a brand new beginning in this relationship with you. They want you to open up with them. They want you to open your heart with them, open your emotions for them. This is what this person wants from you. All they want is love from you. All they want is a brand new start of this relationship with you. This is what they want. Let me clarify the Ace of Cups as what they want from you. Let's see. Let's see. The Nine of Wands and the Strength card and the Star card could be dealing with a Leo, could be dealing with an Aquarius, okay? And this person wants you to stand. You know, although I can see that you are very hurt from whatever they did in the past with you, you are very hurt. And this person wants you to take a stand for yourself, for this connection. They don't want you to give up on the situation. They want you to be courageous. They want you to heal from the situation, okay? And they want you to be like, yes, they want you to be like, no matter how hurt you were in the past, now they want to have a brand new beginning with you. Now they want you to take a stand for this relationship and don't give up on this relationship, please. This is what they want from you. The please is also from their side. It is not from my side, Pisces. So yes, this person definitely want to have a restart with you. This person wants you to open up your heart, open up your emotions for them, and this person wants you to heal, you know, from the situation, to heal from this past situation, whatever happened in the past with you guys. So they basically want to have a brand new beginning of love with you. They have lots of love for you, you know, cutting out all the negativity, toxicity, cutting out all the past issues, and they want love, but nothing else but love from you, you know. Now they're thinking like they have given you enough time to heal from the situation. Now they want the situation to be in the relationship mode again, happily ever after kind of mode again. Let me see what you want from this person, Pisces. What you want from them. Let me see. What you want from them. Let's see. Two of Pentacles. You want them to stop juggling. You might be feeling like this person is not you know, very stable minded, or they are not able to take a particular decision regarding this connection, and this is a baseless or directionless connection, or this is a baseless or directionless sense that they are doing things in. So basically you want them to stop juggling. Might be between the past or present situation, might be somebody else or you, or there could be a juggling that, like, you can see that this person is constantly juggling. This person is constantly in this phase of unstable mind, and they were not able to make any kind of decision, you know, a stable decision. That's why that was creating issues between you guys, and that's why you want them to stop doing this and be stable minded. Let me clarify. The Two of Pentacles is what you want from them, Pisces. Let's see. Let's see. The Nine of Swords and the Two of Swords and the Six of Swords. Yes, You were not able to sleep, you were very anxious, you were very stressed because this person was giving you mixed signals. Sometimes they are so much into you, sometimes they were not at all into you, and that's why you just want this person to be stable minded and take a stand for your for this connection, and have a, you know, peaceful solution to this problem, and move towards a better future, move towards a peaceful future. This is what you want from them. This person gave you severe anxiety, severe depression, severe health issues, you can say mental health issues, because they were constantly in and out. They were not able to take a decision, not able to make a decision, and all you want from this person is a peaceful solution to this problem, you know. This is what you want from them. You want them to be open and honest with you. You want them to stop juggling. You want them to, like, yeah, make a fucking decision and stick to that. Whatever the decision is, just make it and stick to that. This is what you want. Clarity, honesty. Okay, let me see what to expect from this person till the 21st. Page of Pentacles. Yes, this person is coming back with an apology, with a small gift, or with some kind of offer, because this is Ace of Swords, this is Ace of Cups, this is Page of Pentacles. Now all immature energy, yet beginning of something new, something brand new. Okay, so this person is coming back with apology. They're very sorry for what they did with you. Let me clarify. The Devil and the Nine of Pentacles and the Eight of Wands. Ooh la la. You know, I feel like this person is coming back with an apology of how obsessive they were, how possessive they were, how toxic they were in the past. Now they're working on themselves. Now they're working on the financial aspect of their life, and now they want to have back and forth communication with you, to clear out the air with you, to clear out every fucking thing with you. Okay, I don't see any third party situation here as of now, but yet there is a slight hint that I'm getting here of third party. Might be this person is cutting down the third party for you now, and they're coming back towards you because they feel like you are the better option, you are the best option for them, and they want to have a life with you. They want to have fast communication with you. They want to drop the devil card. It's like they want to drop the possessiveness, the addictiveness, or the third party situation. Whatever it was, you know it better. Let me know in the comment section. I would love to hear from you guys. So yes, they are coming with an apology. You know, be ready to have a message or call or email from them of apology. This is what I'm getting here. It might not be like on the 21st only they are going to do that. It could be before that as well, and it could be you know, few days later as well, because the energies are of like not a particular date. It's like a few days back and forth. Okay, in tarot. So thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you. Namaste Pisces. Bye bye.